The auto industry has witnessed a heated debate in recent years which involves hybrid and battery electric vehicles. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, considers hybrid cars a mere phase, whereas Toyota's chairman and former CEO, Akio Toyoda, remains cautious about fully embracing electric vehicles. And so far, it seems that its skepticism of electric vehicles is working just fine for Toyota. The most recent monthly report from the Japanese automaker revealed that it sold 322,463 hybrid vehicles in November 2023, resulting in a total of 3.1 million hybrid sales for the year. This represents a 30% increase compared to the previous year. The general market also shows a noticeable increase in the popularity of hybrid cars. While electric vehicle sales continue to rise, they are not keeping up with the industry's ambitious schedule for phasing out combustion engines. Instead, consumers, especially in the US, are increasingly favoring a technology that has been around for a quarter century: the gas-electric hybrid. These hybrids switch between gas and battery power to optimize efficiency. Despite the worldwide surge of electric vehicle sales, the rate of growth in the United States has been comparatively more gradual. American consumers purchased approximately 1 million hybrid vehicles this year, marking a remarkable 76% increase from the previous year, as reported by Edmunds. Toyota explicitly recognized this trend in their monthly report, attributing the robust sales in North America to the high demand for hybrid models like the RAV4 and Corolla. Toyota's impressive performance in the hybrid domain suggests that it continues to produce superior hybrid vehicles compared to its competitors. However, this achievement is not an overnight success. Rather, it stems from Toyota's extensive and long-standing expertise in crafting hybrid cars, dating back to 1997 when it launched the Prius. So, what makes the Toyota hybrid cars cut above the rest? Toyota's cutting-edge hybrid technology, known as Hybrid Synergy Drive, combines a gasoline engine and an electric motor under the hood. Hybrid Synergy Drive utilizes both a gasoline engine and an electric motor that swap off and can power the car independently depending on your performance needs at the time. For example, when your vehicle is stationary in traffic near a congested city, the electric engine draws power from the battery, enabling the gas motor to turn off and operate exclusively in electric mode. The system can also detect when the vehicle is at a standstill and will automatically shut down the engine to minimize emissions in both urban and highway conditions. This significantly increases fuel efficiency and minimizes emissions. The icing on the cake for Toyota's hybrid systems is that they don't need a physical plug to charge their batteries. Instead, they utilize a process called regenerative braking, where energy generated during braking automatically replenishes the electric battery while driving. Under optimal conditions, up to 30% of the energy used to propel the car can be recovered, resulting in real-world fuel efficiency of 40 to 55 miles per gallon in the Toyota Prius or its Corolla hybrid counterpart. The highest efficiency is achieved during stop-and-go traffic, which enables more electric-only operation. Toyota has established a strong reputation for producing exceptionally reliable vehicles, and this extends to their hybrid models. Based on the Auto Reliability Survey, Consumer Reports named Toyota the most reliable car brand. Lexus, Toyota's luxury division, also ranks high in reliability. Several Toyota models, including the 2023 Toyota Corolla Hybrid, the standard gas-powered 2023 Corolla, and the 2022 Prius, feature prominently in Consumer Reports' top 10 list for reliability. Toyota's longevity in the hybrid business empowers their engineers to proactively tackle significant issues before these vehicles hit the market. As a result, the company has successfully sold more than 15 million hybrid electric vehicles worldwide since the launch of the Prius in 1997. It's important to note that this figure only accounts for sales up until the year 2020. In general, Toyota meticulously monitors quality at every production stage, ensuring that their vehicles meet exceptionally high standards. Their manufacturing processes serve as a gold standard not only in the automotive industry, but across various sectors. Hybrid vehicles continue to enjoy widespread popularity among drivers across various vehicle categories. Simultaneously, a new revolution is underway, with automakers pouring substantial investments into all-electric vehicles that operate without any reliance on gasoline. Despite this shift, car buyers still favor hybrids due to their ability to reduce fuel costs and lower their environmental impact, all without the range anxiety or home charging requirements associated with fully electric cars. Hybrids are poised to contribute significantly to decarbonization, surpassing the impact of EVs for the foreseeable future, if not indefinitely. By combining a petrol engine with an electric motor, Toyota hybrids emit just 70 grams per kilometer, an incredibly low figure for a family car. Moreover, these hybrids emit only 1/10 of the NOx pollution produced by diesel engines, without any particulate matter. This translates to better air quality for you, your family, and the environment. And for added peace of mind, when you service your Toyota hybrid within the Toyota network, you'll receive a free hybrid health check, ensuring up to 10 years of battery care. Toyota offers plenty of options when it comes to its hybrid vehicles. Perhaps the most iconic hybrid model in the Toyota lineup is the Prius. It's a hybrid icon known for its sleek design, advanced lighting, and sporty look. Its impressive 57 miles per gallon city fuel economy rating lets you cruise past the pump, while its aerodynamic design cuts through air for maximum efficiency. Another legendary name that is fitted with Toyota's impressive hybrid technology is the Toyota Corolla Hybrid. This iconic name now boasts Toyota's cutting-edge hybrid synergy drive for the first time, offering remarkable fuel efficiency without compromise. It's smoother, more agile handling thanks to a revamped rear suspension, taking this beloved model to new heights of comfort and performance. Toyota Camry Hybrid is also very popular amongst those who prefers mid-size sedan form factor. This perennial favorite takes its sophisticated design to the next level with exhilarating driving dynamics and unmatched fuel economy. The innovative hybrid synergy drive seamlessly blends the power of a gas engine with an electric motor, generating a potent 208 horsepower and an astonishing 51 miles per gallon city fuel economy rating. Of course, no Toyota list complete without the much-loved RAV4 lineup. The RAV4 Prime hybrid SUV blends impressive fuel economy with exhilarating performance thanks to its standard all-wheel drive and 302 combined horsepower. Cruise on pure electric power for up to 42 miles on a single charge, then seamlessly switch to hybrid mode for extended journeys. With a stellar 40 city miles per gallon rating and a miles per gallon of gasoline equivalent of 94, the RAV4 Prime redefines what's possible in an SUV. The above list only contains cream of the crop in Toyota's hybrid lineup. There are several hybrid models with different sizes that are equally as good.